Hello friends, welcome to the new video. Now I am putting these two sharks, silver sharks, in my already installed Oscar aquarium. So let's go. Friends, now you can see these two silver sharks. I've just left the back as it is, as the fishes should acclimatize with the temperature of what is present in the tank right now. See, my albino Oscar is seeing the two companions. See, he's ready to welcome two of them. See how he's going further. See, yeah. So this is the first day after installation of these silver sharks. I will keep you updated on how it's going on. So for the time being, I'm pausing for this. Friends, we have to keep at least for 15 to 20 minutes to get the fishes acclimatized with the temperature of what is present in the tank. So we have to wait for that time. So friends, I have just now released the two silver sharks in my already installed aquarium consisting of the albino Oscar. Now let's see how it goes. They should live peacefully is my only wish.